Hey folks, Miguel here with DevilDog.Games. Just wanted to put up a quick video here in case this might be helpful to anyone. I don't remember where I learned how to do this, but this is my method for dechroming. It's super simple. I use Super Clean. If you've seen this in your local Menards or auto parts stores or wherever you can get this, that's what I use. It's watered down in a spray bottle. What I do is I take just a few squirts, drop my parts in. You could do this in a cup. I've done it in a cup before. You could do it in a little dish, a bowl, or whatever. And I'm gonna put another squirt or two in there just for a little bit more volume. And then I agitate it a little bit. Now, what I've noticed is when you pull the parts off the sprues, they've got a little piece where it was connected to the sprue where there's no chrome, and that kind of lets the chemicals in underneath the existing chrome, and that seems to help. So I've noticed that if you have like an edge, you could like sand it lightly before you put it in here, and it'll come off a lot faster. But as you can tell, I mean, look, it doesn't take long at all. These are already, the chrome is already coming off of here. I mean, look at that. And that red is coming right through. And this is, what has this been, like a minute? I mean, look at that. And all I'm doing is just agitating this. Now, you could stick these in like a cup and just let it soak in the Purple Power for, you know, 5 or 10 minutes, and you wouldn't have to agitate it or anything. You could literally just put it in the cup and set it and forget it, and come back, and, you know, 5 or 10 minutes later, these will be completely chromeless. But as you can see, it works really well. I'm just going to keep agitating these just to make the process go by faster for the sake of the video. And that one looks like it's got a little bit more on there. Actually, I'm going to pull these out just so that you guys can see how well that works. I'm going to pull a couple of these that seem like they're almost done, just for the sake of the video. And then the great thing about this is that the Purple Power cleans the parts, so you can take them and rinse them off in the sink, and you've got a nice clean part with no chrome. Look at that. Now, most of these, well, I shouldn't say most of them, I'm pretty sure that they all will have it, but underneath the chrome, they've got a layer of like a resin that levels it out, gives it a nice smooth finish. And some of the companies did a better job with that resin than others, but like this is a Revell kit. It's an old Thunderbird kit, and they did a pretty good job. I'm just going to dump this out on this napkin here. It looks like these are all pretty much done. Yeah, they look good. Look at that. What did that take, a minute? 2 minutes? Perfect. Anyway, hope that helps. Happy modeling. Everybody have a good day.